In view of our Nexo cost forecast, the cost of Nexo will cross the $1.2 mark toward the finish of 2023. According to our Nexo cost forecast 2025, the fate of Nexo token is brilliant, and it could stir things up around town. Mark. Our Nexo cost expectation 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $6. Presently, Nexo's cost is exchanging around 64 cents, which is practically 5% down from the last week. Notwithstanding the negative opinion, Nexo holds the possibility to recuperate and could hit $2 by 2025. In the event that you are searching for Nexo expectation, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Nexo a wise venture? How high might Nexo at any point go? Where to purchase Nexo? Before we start with an itemized Nexo gauge, we should jump into the coin's outline. What makes Nexo one of a kind? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo survey here. After saving, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is important. Clients can spend from their acknowledge line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges, and 2. Working with a smooth incorporation with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore as a wise venture choice. A remarkable element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation. Like other digital forms of money, Nexo also is generally subject to value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak, despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists change as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, an impressive leap that mirrored a colossal measure of early financial backer interest. In any case, it checked nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a horrid execution, the Nexo cost displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in energy, with no Nexo cost drop knowledge, starting from the start of 2021. In any case, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was amended persistently, and it shut the year around $0.622. Starting from the start of 2023, the Nexo token has enrolled an unstable development. Toward the finish of January 2023, it has arrived at a pinnacle of 85 cents. Afterward, it confronted a sharp dive and tumbled to 60 cents. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the Nexo token has figured out how to safeguard its force and exchanged the reach from 63 cents to 74 cents till date. Nexo holds potential to recuperate fundamentally as it stays over its help of 60 cents. We should investigate what crypto specialists think about the fate of Nexo. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo's estimate, contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around 64 cents, with a 24H value change of plus 0.43%. And a 24-hour volume of $3,723,053, with a market cap of $359,510,732. There is as of now a coursing supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost expectation for 2023 is $0.124. According to the Gauge Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.5. Before the year is over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.06, and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.89 and a low of $1.77 in 2025, according to the Nexo cost expectation. Despite the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2023 to 2030 are nonpartisan as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo cost might go on upwards, crossing $1.2 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful estimates. Nexo value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. In light of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base cost of Nexo token may be around 60 cents, while the most extreme cost might be around $1.2. Nexo expectation 2024. As per the investigation and Nexo cost forecast for 2024, it is forecasted that the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.15. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.32. Overall, the normal exchanging cost may be $1.23 during 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025. Of every 2025 Nexo coin could stamp the benchmark year, as the greatest cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $2 definitely. In light of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base extended cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $1.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $1.7 during 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. As indicated by our Nexo cost figure in light of specialized examination and past information, the Nexo cost could leap to about $3.1 by 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.3 and $2.7 individually. Nexo coin value forecast 2027. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are Nexo expectations that the coin could record a greatest value level of $4.4 in 2027. The most extreme cost of Nexo might be around $3.2. Overall, the Nexo cost may be $3.5 during 2027. Nexo expectations 2028. Considering our Nexo figure for 2028, the overall greatest cost of Nexo token may be around $5.2. The base cost for Nexo is anticipated to be roughly $4.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $4.7 during 2028. Nexo conjecture 2029. As indicated by our Nexo cost forecast, the token is supposed to exchange at the very least cost of $5.